Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports USB on the go and external storage protocols. This is non-negotiable. Grab a USB-C US-capable enclosure for your NVMe or SATA SSD, or a dedicated NVMe USB-C adapter. Once done, power your phone to a safe charge level and use a short, PD-rated USB-C cable to minimize connection issues. This minimizes voltage drop and enables higher transfer speeds. Make sure the enclosure's firmware supports mass storage class. You now attach the SSD inside its enclosure, tighten any screws, and connect to the phone via the short USB-C cable. If the phone doesn't recognize it immediately, unlock the screen and accept any OTG or USB storage prompts. Once mounted, check File Manager to confirm read/write access. Format to XFAT only if you need compatibility with both Android and desktops. Make sure to grant File Manager permissions. If formatting, backup data first because this erases the drive. Finish by using the drive for transfers, media playback, or backups, but always safely eject in storage settings before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the phone fails to detect the SSD, try a different PD-rated cable, enable OTG in developer settings, or test the enclosure on a PC to isolate the problem. Once done, note that NVMe enclosures can run hot. If temperatures climb, pause transfers or provide airflow. This single workflow keeps your mobile storage reliable and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.